Hello friends, welcome to Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today I am here with a topic of weightages. What are the weightages and how we can calculate with different methods in Primavera P6 and Excel also. So, first of all, we will discuss about what is weightage, a factor by which some quantity is multiplied in order to make it comparable with the others or total. So each activity in project has a specific weight in terms of their importance in the whole of project, which is calculated according to the desired level of WBS or the whole project. In this numerical value is called weightage factor or weightage value. You can calculate activity wise and also we can calculate manners, duration, cost and etc. We have option to calculate in Primavera P6 and also we have option to import export from Excel. So let's move forward to our topic and learn how we can do it. So I have opened here the Primavera P6 here. So I have taken a project which is a previous project, oil and gas project. So here the original duration I have mentioned in hours, because if we do in days, first of all, if we do in days, then we cannot calculate in our user defined column. The user defined column is using the hours. So I have also incorporated over there the column of budgeted total cost and budgeted labor units, 5 million but budgeted labor units, and also you can calculate by any other factor. If you see here, by default the value is equal to 1, like entire or activity wise, or it is calculating as a 1. If we want to calculate as per our budgeted labor units, or if we want to calculate it as per our budgeted labor cost or total cost or our duration. So simply if you have here the units label, then our cost label, duration label, so remove the, if we take into the for example in the user defined field and also in the Excel, it will not work. So user defined field we are using to add any column in Primavera P6, and global change we are assigning over there the formulas like Excel. So first of all, I will calculate with the different methods in Primavera P6. First of all, we will calculate for the duration, then cost, then budgeted labor units we can calculate, and secondly we will see how we can calculate in the Excel. Secondly, there are a WBS. For the WBS we cannot incorporate or import or mention the weightages automatically. So for the WBS we have to write one by one for the all WBS. So I have already explained the top down estimation and also estimated weight in our other tutorial. If you want to learn about that, you can have to see the tutorial as well. So for the activities, first of all I will add a column of the from the user defined field, and we can say here I will add a column here with the name of, I will just do it as a number, because if we add as a text then it will not calculate over there. The only we don't have the formulas and are equal to only working. So here I have added here, just write here weight dash duration. We are calculating for the duration. Okay, so I will add the column. You can add from here or by right clicking the form user defined field, open it and go at the weightages duration, import it and move it at the last. So I will edit column, center, okay, apply and okay. Now you can see here our column is there here. So what I will do, I will just do here. Now we will move forward to the global change. From the tools we will go to the global change. We are calculating on behalf of the duration the our activities weightages. So here I will add a new global change factor. This global change, as I told you, that this is for any type of the formula you want to add or incorporate in your Primavera P6. This is like Excel, you can do it from there. So this is for the filter and this is for the calculation. Add here which column I need, weight duration, is equal to which value I want to take. I want to take original duration value because we are calculating original duration divided by, here we will just say here the custom and divide into the overall duration. So overall duration is 26008. Okay, secondly I want in this also the same one. I want in the same, you can have option to do another global change, but I want to say here that this global change when they will calculate here, then I want this column is equal to this column. So I will add here estimation weight or estimated weight is equal to weight duration. So weight duration. Okay, when I will go to the change, yes I want to change it. Now you can see the old value and new value is there. So I will go commit changes. I don't want log file, I will just commit changes. Okay, so close the. Now you can see here the duration is there. Why it is 27.7, 27.07? Because it is calculating by this way. Up to the WBS level it is not correct. For this way up to the WBS level this is not correct. You have to take as per the activities. If you want for the WBS level, then you have to calculate by from the Excel. For example, here I will just take it to the Excel. We will clear now the duration. If I want, then go to the Excel and paste here, control copy and then paste here. Here is the our original duration. For example, I will just say here apply filters over there for the WBS level, and then I will just say here the blanks. I want only blanks here. Select all and then go to the blanks. Now these are our WBSs here. Now what I will do, I will just write here the formula is equal to this one divided by the same one, and I will freeze the formula by F4. Okay, enter, and now take it to the bottom. So here is, now these are the weightages as per the WBS. So if you want to take it from the WBS, you have to just copy, and then what I will do, I will just say here copy and paste special values over there. Okay, paste special the values because I want to take only the values. If you take here, for example, these are not all units, then you will take 0.26. The value will be not equal to 100% when it will come at the top. So this one is 1. Now for the WBS you have to mention 1 by 1 for all. Like for example, here is this WBS mobilization is 0.26. Copy and I will paste special here. Because of the filter it is not working. Control A, Control C, and then go here, and for the mobilization, this is mobilization, I will write here the same value will be there. So this is now the weightages for the all WBS, entire WBS you have to do. If you put over there, then it will calculate the downsized WBS. If you are putting on the level 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 it will divide equally over there. So you have to put for the WBS as per the Excel. So we will now go to the in the Primavera P6 again, and we will do here as per the cost. So how we will do for the cost? Again we will go to the user defined field and add one more column here, weight by cost. Okay, weight by cost, and then I will do here the number weight by cost again into the number, close and go and add the column here. I will go there, user defined field, and then weight by cost. I will take up to the end, and then I will just remove this weight duration. Okay, apply and okay. So weight by cost is there. I will just do here centralization. Okay, apply and okay. Now how we can calculate by the cost also? This now it is acting as a duration. So for the cost, same formula, we will go to the global change. In the global change we will add new one and change here the weight by cost, or whatever you want to write here. This is for the filters, and then this is for the formula. So here I will say weight cost is equal to budgeted total cost this one divided by the value. We will say here the value because this value is we have to calculate from the entire value for those activities how the quantity or the weight it is taking for. So here I will write 212,491 and then 296. Okay, then I will go again add here the estimation weight or estimated weight is equal to the weight cost. Okay, change it or apply. Yes, I want to change the, so old value is this one and new value is this one because there are some weightages you can see here. It is there is some value, so commit changes. No, I don't want to save the log file. Okay, that has been applied now according to the cost. Now for the cost, if you see, it is taking from there and there is no values for the WBS level. That's why it is not calculating, and WBS is cumulating the activities. Primavera rule is that the WBS here for the new columns, it is cumulating for the activities which are mentioned under the WBS. So it is overall 100%. And now for the, as per the cost, how we can take it, how we can just have to Control A, Control C and add a new Excel file here. For example, I will just do here a new sheet. So sheet is there, I will just paste there. Now I will just put a filter over there, filter. Okay, here I will just deselect all and select only the blanks. Now this is now for our WBS. You can see here the WBS. If I go to the percentage, you can see you can take here as a number or as a text. So here is a number, so we will take the value and put in the our WBS here one by one. For the WBS there is no formula, you have to take and put one by one over there. By the way, if you are doing in the activities, so just if whatever your WBS are there, you can do it, or you can just take this one, like if you are calculating by the cost or by the labor units. So you will just select all from here, copy and go to the Excel for the WBS. For example, you want to calculate only for the WBS here. So here I will, what I will do, here is the cost. I will just do here the weight is equal to this one divided by the same one and freeze it by the F4 and enter. Now I can take here the cost. Where is the cost is for the entire WBS level. You can now take from here and put over there. For example, this one 1 and now these values you can take over there and put there. So this is the second method. So here for the WBS, now we are going to calculate as per our budgeted labor units or budgeted total units. If you have the, as I have uploaded for the total units, you have labor and non-labor and you want to see the weightages according to the both. So you will calculate by the global change factor and then add budgeted total units. Now you are able to do. So enterprise and user defined field, I will add one more column here. For example, weight by units. What this is, for example, whatever you will use, you have to use one. So I am clearing your concept how you can do it. So here I will add the column over there from the user defined field. I will click here. Okay, and there is weight by units. Okay, I will weight by cost, I will move it back, apply and okay. Edit column, I will just center it. Okay, apply and okay. Now the same, we will go to the tools and global change. In the global change, I will add a new. Yes, you have option to modify the previous one. For example, this one you can modify from here, change the one. I am adding here the new one to just understand you people. So if you want to modify the, or you can copy and paste, copy and I will just paste here. Okay, paste here. Cost one, I will just rename it by the units. Okay, and then I will go to the modify here. Weight column is weight units. Okay, then parameter value is, we have to budgeted labor units or budgeted total units. Budgeted labor units, we have to see from here the budgeted labor units, this one divided by the value is now this one 5 million. So here what I will write, custom, in the custom I will just write here the value 512,745. Okay, 0.68 accurately it will calculate. So estimation weight is equal to, if I delete that, we will add a new column or we will add a new filter to understand your concept also to your. So delete, I don't want that one. Okay, change it, yes. Now the old value is this one and new value is this one. Commit changes, yes. I don't want to save it. The changes has been committed. Okay, close the. Now you can see the weight unit is there. Some values you can see here and overall is 1. You can, for the units also, you can take for the WBS and put over there. Except the duration you can take for the units, and for the cost you can take from here and put here one by one WBS. And for the A's you can use Google Sheets, Word or Excel to just copy from here the values and paste there, then take it to the WBS level. You have option to use the Word, Excel and Google Sheets. So here the second global change we will apply over there. Global change. Now I will add a new one. For example, EST is equal to like weight units weight. Okay, just put here the value. Now the same EST, estimation weight, is equal to parameter value is equal to what I will do, weight unit, and then change it. Simply you can manage in one formula to avoid or save the time. So no, I don't want to save the log file. Now you can see here our estimation weight is calculated. Until your weight is there, the Primavera will not take the value. When you will do it here in the under the Primavera default column, then it will calculate according to that value. So now we are going to calculate from the Excel. How we can calculate from the Excel? For example, I want to calculate by the duration in Excel. So I will just take here this value. I will just export from here, and then I will go to the XLS next and activities next. So here I will select the project. Okay, next. Here you can see here the weight and weight 1. I will just say modify this one, weight 1. So here I will use the not budget labor units. I will use the original duration. So you can search it from here or go to the duration and select the original duration column. So original duration is there. So the other column I will take it from the user defined field where we will put the value over there. So I will say here the weightage according to the duration. So ignore the spell mistake. So weight. Okay, just remember this weight. Next, and give the save location. I will save it on the desktop, activities, and then weight just for identification. Finish, close. Go to the file. Here is our file. Open the file. How we can do it? You can do it from the other file also, and now you can calculate from here also. So now you can see here our duration is there. So if I do by the other way, in this way, for example, I will just Control A, Control C, copy, select all and copy. Then I will go to the new sheet here, paste over there. If I want to calculate by the duration, here the weight. So here, for example, this is weight. I want to calculate according to the duration is equal to this one divided by this one, and I will freeze the value of the weight. Enter, and then take it to the copy or paste the formula. For example, I will copy and just go down, and then I will just do the duplication. Now you can see here the formula is there, and just for example I will just paste special the values to remove the formula. Now you can take from here as well. So what I will do here the filter and just ignore the blanks, select R and deselect the blanks here. Okay, now you can see this value is for the activities. I will just take by this way, Control Shift down and copy and paste the values over there. So here is our value. I will paste here the values. Now you can see for the Primavera P6 22.12 version is not doing the text. If for the reduce the errors, then we will do it. So now this is, you can calculate in the same sheet also. How we can calculate in the same sheet? For example, I will remove here is equal to this one and divided by, now give the value. Where is the value? Is the value is 2608, 2608. Okay, then enter and just do here the number, not text, in the number, enter. Now you can see here the value. So what I will do, I will just take the formula up to the end. Now the values are there. So what I will do, I will just copy and paste the values over there. For example, copy and paste special the values again. So here I will change again into the text format. Now this is our file. Close the file. You can do it for the cost also by the same way. By the same way, you can do it as a labor units, total budget units, whatever you want, you can do it. So here I will import the same file here, XLS. Next, in file location, don't select from the documents and then go here. Okay, open. Next, select the activities. Next, import to the project, select the project. Okay, next, finish. The import was successful. Now these, we have to import the column over there. The column was, we selected the duration column. So here is our duration column. Apply and okay. So this is now duration. What we will do with the similar way, we have to do it by the estimation weight on the same tools again, and global change. Then global change, I will just add a new one. Now add estimation weight is equal to, or estimated weight is equal to the weight duration. Okay, change, commit changes, no. Okay, close. Now you can see the weight is according to this one, because there is only one value here. You can see the values are there, and for the WBS, up to the WBS level, we need to take from here, for example, from the Excel sheet which we have calculated over there. So what we will do, we will just now the select only blanks and deselect other all activities. So here I will deselect all and then go and select the blanks value, because blanks is WBS and no activities. So now I can take from here, for example this one, I will take the value from here. This is for the civil. Go to the WBS and civil WBS in this one, I will paste it here. Yes, don't write manually here in the WBS. If the Primavera, when the Primavera will calculate, the value will be greater than 100, and value, if the value is greater than 1 or 100%, which is not correct, or less than 1. So copy and paste from the Excel is a better way. Excel, Word, Google Sheets, whatever you are using, you can use it. By this way, you can manage and generate your own weightages. The weightages, whenever you will change now the quantities here, duration or total cost, the weightages will be remain the same, whatever you assigned period in the start of the project. If you want to change the weightages, you now can change easily by the same method. Hopefully this tutorial will be helpful for you people. Please like, share and comment on our tutorials. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.